So you've got a small YouTube channel and you're looking to grow, right? Maybe you have 0 views or 0 subscribers and you're like, I want so much more. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys small YouTube channel secrets for growth. This is gonna be really powerful for your business. Let's cue that intro and get this thing started. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and I am super excited to share with you guys some secrets of growing a small YouTube channel in 2020. A lot of times people ask me, are YouTube channels dead? Is it too late for me to get started with a YouTube channel? Absolutely not.
Just watch this.
As a small YouTube channel owner, I have seen some of the most growth I've ever had in 2020 and it's been really encouraging. Up until 2020, I didn't really make YouTube a huge focus, but rather I had this small YouTube channel with 3,000 subscribers, maybe 4,000 subscribers. And now today we're at, well, whatever you see on my channel right now. So we've been growing consistently and I'm gonna share with you guys some of the secrets behind the scenes so that you can grow, even if you're starting at 0 views, even if you feel like 2020 is too late to start a YouTube channel, even if you have no subscribers, except for maybe your mom. It's totally fine. We're gonna dive on in. But real fast, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the tutorials that are coming over the next few weeks. We got some goodies planned for you guys. I know you're gonna love them. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Even if you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. I appreciate all of your feedback. Okay, so number 1 secret for small YouTube channels growth. Be the most confident. That does not mean you have to be the smartest. That does not mean you have to be the prettiest. That doesn't even mean you have to know the most. But I want you to show up in confidence with whatever it is that you're delivering. That is your job, is to be the most confident. Remember, even if you're not the #1 expert in the topic, you may be an expert to someone else, and something that seems really basic to you could be absolutely life-changing for someone else. So tip number 1 is be the most confident. Number 2, channel branding. This is super important and is oftentimes overlooked. I want you to think about the image that you have over your YouTube channel, your cover art. Does it clearly explain to others what they can expect from your channel? Are they going to be learning about cooking? Are they going to learn about fitness secrets? Are they going to be learning about how to sing songs? Or maybe it's going to be a vlog. What is it that you want to create? Make your cover art super well branded. I actually like to use Canva. It's a free tool that you can use to create attractive cover art that works and is free and is awesome and gets the job done. Number 3, TubeBuddy. This is one of the most important secrets, and there's even a free option as well as a paid upgrade version that can get you more insights into what's working on YouTube. What I love about TubeBuddy is that it allows me to research what videos are performing well for other YouTubers. It allows me to see the keywords that they're using, and it also helps me to kind of get an idea of what type of content I want to create, which brings me to my next point, which is number 4, modeling. This is so important. So when I go to other people's YouTube channels that put out similar content to what I want to put out on my channel, I actually sort all of their videos by most popular. And the reason that I do that is I don't want to recreate the wheel. I'm not an inventor. I am a marketer. And my job is to do my own renditions of content that's already performing. I'm not suggesting in any way that you copy content, but rather as you look at the videos that are the most popular from people who are in a similar niche to you, recognize the themes. You see people mostly asking about keto recipes or maybe Instagram secrets. What is it that's performing? That's going to give you a good idea of where to start. Next up, we have scripting. Now, scripting is something that people literally roll their eyes at me about. They're like, there's no way I'm gonna script all my YouTube videos. And the good news is you don't really have to. But you don't wanna be that person who creates YouTube videos and rambles on without a point, never giving away valuable information. So instead what I do is I actually use the notepad on my computer and I write down the title of the video as well as the key points that I want to get into. There are also a few other things that I like to do, including adding points where I'm going to ask people to comment, such as right now. Wow, this is so meta. Comment below if one of these tips is already supporting you and you're like, that's something I want to do. And by the way, make sure you share your YouTube link in the comments beneath this video so that others can support you and you can support others in their journey towards growing their small YouTube channel in 2020. Next, we're going to talk about niched videos. And normally my advice on almost every social media platform is not to niche, but I'm going to give you guys a little different insights into YouTube. So when you are competing with big YouTubers, they're going to dominate the market for really broad or saturated topics. One of the best ways that you can grow is by creating niched down, super valuable how-to tutorials. And I have to say, how-tos have been a huge part of our growth over this last few months. It's been amazing to see as some of the videos that I wouldn't guess would be viral are the ones that are performing the best. For example, how to edit TikTok videos is one of my top performing videos, and I just put that up a week ago, which is kind of mind-blowing. At the time of recording this, it has 24,000 views, and I didn't realize that how to edit a TikTok video with simple editing processes would be something that people wanted to learn. I thought everyone was focusing on like building TikTok fame or wanting to become super viral on the platform, but something as simple as how to edit a video or how to put text on a video is actually really powerful because it fills in those gaps that the bigger YouTubers aren't necessarily hitting. And that's where I'm seeing a lot of viral success. A few other of our really popular ones, 1,000 followers on TikTok. That's another one that's doing really well. How to start social media marketing as a beginner, and how to get verified on Instagram. Those are all topics that you would think people would already know, or that would just be kind of general assumptions. So like I said in the beginning, you don't have to be an expert to everyone, but if you can serve one person, then there's probably more people who need to learn those same topics. And so I recommend niching down your videos in the beginning to get really granular with the topics that you're gonna serve your audience. And as hard as it is, I want you guys to dive deep into the next secret, which is tons of value. How-tos. Now, how-tos are not as fun to create as maybe say a vlog or an entertainment video, but they're super valuable because they are serving your audience. You're giving value, you're leading with value, and that is so much more popular and powerful than anyone thinks. Sometimes it can be a little bit humbling because you're going back into the weeds and breaking down step by step the processes behind the scenes of whatever your expertise is. And so it's not the most glamorous videos to create. For example, this is a how-to right now, and they take a little more research and intentionality, but they perform so much better on the back end, especially before people know who you are and why they should care. They're gonna learn that you care about them. The next secret is title hacking. Now, title hacking is a little bit controversial. Can you guys comment below and let me know? I recognize like this is controversial, so say you're good, Rachel. Title hacking means basically if you've seen a video that's done really well from someone in a similar niche or industry, you can actually model your title after theirs. And that means you don't really have to change much. I like to sometimes add in the year, like in 2020, but oftentimes my most successful videos have literally had the same exact title as my competitors with just a few words added. For social media managers, for entrepreneurs, with business. Those are all things that you can do to increase your chances of performing well, growing your views and your subscribers. And the beautiful thing about those is that YouTube likes to see similar content. Behind the scenes, they know that if one video performed really well, that another video with a similar title is likely to perform well. So it gives you more chances of being discovered on YouTube. Next up, we have the keywords behind videos. Now, this is an essential part that most people don't realize. Is there the occasional person who goes massively viral without any keywords? Yeah, totally. But that's not the norm. And so I want that to be super clear. With keywords, you want to use long form keywords, which basically means that they are They've got a lot of words in them so that you're niching down in order to grow. I like to use a combination of really long form keywords plus a few that are a little more broad, so that way as my video continues to rank, it can rank better and better within those bigger topics over time. Now, this is one thing that people overlook, this secret, and that is making sure that you have keywords everywhere. And I mean everywhere. You want to use keywords in your audio because YouTube actually looks at the transcriptions behind the scenes to see, is there actually the keywords that they promised in this video? They're looking for congruency between the title, the keywords that you're using, and the keywords that you're using in your audio.
We eventually, all of us creators in YouTube, we want to delight viewers, and therefore we want to recommend videos that will both convert potential viewers into actual viewers, as well as keep those viewers delighted and watch our videos for a long time.
So I like to make sure that I at least repeat the title several times throughout the video, which, speaking of, is how to grow with 0 views and 0 subscribers. Once again, that is so meta. But also they're looking to see if the bio of the video has a description of those keywords and what it is that you're going to talk about. And then this is a secret that most people don't realize, but hashtags. Hashtags are absolutely viable on YouTube. You can use 3, sometimes 4 hashtags in your bio, and they're actually going to show up beneath your videos as hashtags that work as like organizers. And so you can rank within the hashtags behind the scenes, which is another powerful way to boost your views and your subscribers. And then once you start getting some videos with a little bit of traction, and remember, traction takes time to snowball. YouTube growth is not an overnight process. I have been YouTubing not super seriously, but over the last 4.5 years. And it's really over the last year, and especially the last few months, that I've had massive success as I really hunker down and become dedicated towards growing my YouTube. So remember that it snowballs over time. But the beautiful thing about YouTube is you can go into your analytics and actually see which videos brought you the most subscribers, so that way you can see these are the types of videos people want to find me for, and create more videos like it. Maybe it's a version 2.0 for a new year. Maybe you're going to create that video with a little bit of a twist or a little more in depth, but those are the videos that are going to probably perform the best for you. So as you start getting some analytics under your belt, you can go into YouTube Studio, check out your analytics, and see which videos are bringing you the most subscribers. I want to know from you guys, which of these tips are you going to use? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up, comment below and let me know. And if you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. I'm totally fine with that, and it gives me some good feedback to know for the next videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss their amazing YouTube tutorials and so many other social media tutorials coming over the next few weeks, and I don't want you to miss them. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Think would already be, dang it.